Hi guys, welcome to Crazy Casey Corner. This is going to be the first tech video on here, and we're going to be upgrading my computer from 8GB of RAM to 16. First we need to turn the computer off, unplug it and then find somewhere to work. First, this is the 8GB of RAM, and then we need to take off the stand and then open it up. So first we need to lift it up, then push this lever here and then pull up and then pull out, and then it's off already. So now we need to remove the back cover. There's latches on both sides that we need to lift up, but warning, there's sharp bits inside computers and I've just practiced and caught myself. So now we're inside it. So there's the heatsink to the fan, and then the heatsink bit there is covering up the CPU, and then here's the hard drive, here's the solid state drive, and then here is the important bit, the memory. So now we need to put it in. So when you're putting it in, you need to make sure you can't see any of the gold bars, so then you have to push it in as far as you can. So see the way that you can't see any gold bars, and just push down, and now it's in. So that's that done. Now we'll put it together again. So now we're going to see if it worked. So if we have a look on here, installed physical memory RAM, 16GB. Yay, it worked! In future videos, we might upgrade the CPU, maybe put a solid state drive in, and then do some benchmarking videos. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.